Secondly, we have two objectives. The main objectives that we actually need to capture and bring back to our spawn point is going to be right over here in this parking lot and in this building right outside the gate. Your other one is going to be in the red building. You have capture points, raising the flag, in D block. You have one in the basketball court, and you have one inside the gymnasium. Our main objective, since we are right here, go capture that and bring it back to our respawn. That's our main objective. Work your way around, work in teams. You copy?
Copy.
Less than a minute.
Next minute. All right, hills are off limit.
Black. Got good range.
Decently good range. Why? On it. Yeah, you got better shot. Alright, I'm gonna go check to see if these guys need any help.
They're coming around the back side. But people are in there trying to do that.
Then I got no.
They're on the right.
6 mag.
This is a bat? It's a bat.
I'm buying an Xbox at lunchtime. We're not dealing with this. Get your ass in here.
Support us. Keep pushing. Very awkward. We're out of the way. My dragging back to you a second. One, two, three, four, five. You're good. Come on, let's play, huh? You got it?
Yeah. We got this whole building behind us. They can't push the wall.
Good move. Huh? Drag me. Set it on the left. Yeah. Back up. I got you. Yeah. I'll cover you. Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Do we have a medic?
You want a minute?
Yes, please. Yes, sir.
I'm good. They need one up.
You good? Who cares?
Come on, you gotta tell that. Thank you. Let's go.
Andrew! Come on, get up here! Go!
Hit up.
Good stuff. Thank you. Love you too.
I'm gonna spawn back and go. Have fun, man.
Yeah.
Get up, man. Dude, that's so good.
Fine.
just right there too.
Huh?
He was just right there too.
There's a bunch of them over here coming across. We can make a flip.
We're going this way.
Does that render 6? Green does.
One friendly and then a bunch of Aussies.
Other than doing stuff, yeah.
Oh, they're all dead.
And then
Clear that out and let them know. We'll see.
I feel like I'm gonna get shot.
Come to the other side of the building we were taking cover behind.
Hey Lance, I've got your vector mags. It's Noah.
You let your buddy know you got him, right? Alright. Todd, I'm gonna go, back for a minute. Before, pass out. I've been dead. I've been dead. Still there?
Going by you guys. Right behind you.
Yeah, I'm down to like one mag, guys. That's a left-handed shield, so grab it with your right.
Good shot, keep going, keep going. Him! There you go, keep going.
Hey, Lance, heading back to the fire truck. Pulling the wall, pulling the wall.
So, hi, my name is Alphonse, or I should say, hello there. I am the CO of the Black team. We're basically the third party team here at the event. And so far, it's been wild. Teams changing sides, loyalties, backs burned, betrayals. But it's been pretty fun so far. I'm not used to commanding. I've been more trying to just like lead from the front because, what do I know? I'm just an airsoft player. But it's basically just like making sure we're not losing flanks, falling asleep, stuff like that. But it's been fun.
Christian Risto, Unorthodox Entertainment Company. Do haunts, special effects, props, all that kind of stuff.
Hey guys, we're Mean Team 6. Check us out on our website and also our Instagram, which is mt6.airsoft. Bunch of guys in the group, great group of guys out here at Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary right now, playing with these two great guys, man behind the camera. Yeah, check us out. Thanks.
My name's Patrick. I run Viral Labs. It's a YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook page. We're out covering the Operations Wolfed In, Battle of Brushy. We're just out here shooting video and taking photos of all the participants.
Bad Influence Airsoft, and then mine's Sniping with Logic YouTube channel.
Hey, I'm Mark with On The Go Surplus, and me and my wife own and operate this business here. Yeah, we try to help out the airsofts. We carry a good variety on the patches here, and then also like if you have a blowout in the field, we can get you a new pair of pants, and then we have boots also. And yeah, whatever you need, just let us know. And you can follow us on Facebook too, On The Go Surplus, and then just let us know anytime you need stuff, and we can even ship it to you through PayPal. But yeah, we try to hit any bigger events, so there's bigger events out there too that y'all like us to come to. Just let us know. We'd love to come to it there. But I'll catch you later. Okay, thanks.
Other side. Should be ready to stop right on the other side of the road.